Hey guys, UniquePearl, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm going to be making some DIY snow globe ornaments. The materials that you're going to need for this video is some liquid glycerin, some glitter. I have white, gold, and teal. And this is optional, but you can also use some beads. And most importantly, the glass ornaments, which you can get at Michael's. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, be sure to drop a like, a comment, and check the description down below. Now, before we get into it, you might be wondering where the tops of these ornaments are. Well, let me show you. Because I wanted them to be waterproof, I sprayed them with some super sealant and let them dry for about an hour. Be sure to wear a mask when you do this. And also, glycerin is an optional material as well. It just makes the glitter float slower. Please don't use this if you're like a really small child, because it's not safe. Anyway, now that the tops are dry, we can get started with the video. Fill up each ornament with water about to this high, like I did, and do the same for the rest of them too. And now, take your glycerin and pour 1 to 2 teaspoons in each ornament. I decided to go with 2 teaspoons just to be safe. Guess I won't be using this for cooking again. Then I took this long toothpick stick thing from the kitchen and just mixed it up and put the glycerin in the rest of the ornaments too. Just so I don't have to do it later. Now we're starting off with the white glitter, which ended up being the best one. I don't know how much you're supposed to put in. I just put in a few tablespoons, and I guess it kind of acted weird. It would like clump at the top, but other than that, it seemed pretty amazing once you shook it. See? Magical. Just to be safe, I hot glued some string around it in a bow to make sure the lid stays tight and the water doesn't come out as much. Now moving on to the second ornament, which will be the gold one. As I did with the first one, I filled it up with some gold as well. I didn't realize I was using the big spoon at the time, but I guess it was. And as you can see, it clumps on the top here, and I do fill up the water up to the top just so that it didn't do that, but it still did that. I added some beads to there as well and hot glued the lid on, as well as the string bow, just so that all of them look the same. This one didn't turn out quite as good as the first one, but it still looked pretty nice. Now for the final ornament, which will be with the teal one. This is probably the messiest one, and there was a lot of glitter. I put in a little bit too much. Oh well. I also put in some teal beads as well, just because. Once again, I hot glued the lid on and tied some string around it. For the teal one, I didn't fill it up to the top just because there was a lot of glitter and it was already spilling out a lot if I shook it. Since there was so much glitter, it basically covered the entire view of the entire snow globe, which is pretty cool in its own way. As you can see, the water's still dripping. It's okay though. And that's it for this DIY video. If you enjoyed and you'd like to see more, be sure to drop a comment in the description down below. Hit the notification button and subscribe. Videos every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'll see you guys next weekend. Bye!